Hi, I'm Rhys Edwards. We farm in Enrhym Farm in Bridgend, South Wales. I farm with my father, Russell. The farm ranges from 500 to 1300 feet above sea level. We're running 560 ewes this year, comprising of 400 Texel Cross mules which are used on the RamCompare project, and 160 Welsh mules which are used for ewe lamb replacements. It was 2017 we joined the project. We wanted to take the opportunity to see what rams work on our farm and see if it actually does what it says on the tin, and we've seen massive benefits to using high performance recorded rams against not so high performance recorded rams. Actual money in pockets, we've seen differences of the same breed rams, £6 per lamb, which, you know, over 50 to 100 lambs a year does definitely add up. So we see massive benefits as an income on the rams. RamComparers give us the opportunity to try different rams and turn a lot of rams over, which in the past, once we bought a ram, it'd stay here for 4 to 5 seasons. And by single sire mating, we can actually see what the rams are doing. Some rams and some breeds grow at different speeds, which suit some systems and not others. A lot of rams may not grow the quickest but kill out a lot better, so they make up for it in different ways. The only thing you've got to do with to be a farm is you've got to record everything from birth to slaughter. So you've got to tag at birth, weigh at birth, and single sire mate, so you know what rams are parents to what lambs. And once this data is logged, then you can follow them lambs right through, and you know the benefits are endless.